Welcome back, riders! Today I'm showing you the easiest way to remove the speed limiter on your Ninebot electric scooter and unlock its full max speed, all with just your phone. This method works on the all-popular Ninebot models, including the Ninebot ES1, ES2, ES3, ES4, E22, E25, E45, Max G30, Max G2, F20, F25, F30, and F40. All right, here's how the speed hack works. Open the app and connect via Bluetooth. Once it pairs, you'll see a big Unlock Max Speed. Tap it, wait a moment, and that's it. Your Ninebot is now fully unlocked, with the speed limiter removed and max speed unleashed. It's super simple, fast, and I've had zero issues using it. If you want to download the app I'm using, just go to the pinned comment below. I explain exactly where to get Unlocker Plus so you can try it yourself. If this worked for you, drop a like and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!